Hi guys, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I show double UK49 lunchtime and tea time prediction for 9 November Sunday 2025. Now lunchtime single prediction numbers: number 4, number 7, number 12, number 19, number 28, number 31. Now lunchtime single prediction number repeat: number 4, number 7, number 12, number 19, number 28, number 31. Now lunchtime second prediction numbers: number 13, number 21, number 29, number 34, number 39, number 43. Today lunchtime second prediction number repeat: number 13, number 21, number 29, number 34, number 39, number 43. Today time booster ball numbers: number 15, number 22, number 32, number 38. Today lunchtime bonus ball number repeat: number 15, number 22, number 32, number 38. Now tea time prediction for Sunday 9 November 2025. Now tea time single prediction numbers: number 2, number 4, number 15, number 22, number 28, number 33. Today time single prediction number repeat: number 2, number 4, number 15, number 22, number 28, number 33. Now tea time second prediction numbers: number 11, number 17, number 24, number 35, number 37, number 41. Today time second prediction number repeat: number 11, number 17, number 24, number 35, number 34, number 41. Today time booster ball numbers: number 31 and number 39, number 44, number 47. Today time bonus ball number repeat: number 31 and number 39, number 44 and number 47. So friends, complete today lunchtime and tea time prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for next draw.